Hello students, in today's lecture I am going to explain you about 3 simple tricks to remember genetic code. Okay, so before giving these tricks, let's see what is genetic code table. So this is the genetic code table given in NCERT. In this genetic code table, totally we have 64 functional codons. Among those 64 functional codons, 61 codons are called as sense codons, which code for amino acids. 3 codons are called as nonsense codons or stop codons, which does not code for any amino acid. Okay, observe this genetic code table. Generally, students they by heart this genetic code table, triplet codons. Totally 64 codons are there na. They by heart these triplet codons, like which triplet codon codes for which amino acid. But it takes time and it is very difficult to remember. So here I am going to give you 3 tricks to remember the genetic code, and those tricks are also useful for solving the questions related to genetic code. Okay, so in this genetic code table given in NCERT, you observe there are 4 columns. So first column, second column, third, fourth column. These triplet codons are present in totally 4 columns, and in each column there are 4 boxes. First box, second, third, fourth box of this first column. In the same way, second column also contains 4 boxes. First, second, third, fourth box. Okay, now in each box you see, in each box if we observe, there are 4 triplet codons in each box. So in genetic code table of NCERT, 4 columns are there. First column, second column, third column and fourth column. And in each column there are 4 boxes. First box, second box, third, fourth box. And in each box there are 4 triplet codons. Okay, let's see one triplet codon. This is a triplet codon called UCG. UCG. Okay, so in this triplet codon, what is triplet codon actually? Triplet codon is nothing but a codon made up of 3 nucleotide bases. Okay, in this UCG triplet codon, this second base you observe first, second base is C, second base. So all the triplet codons of this column are with C as its second base. Now you observe first base. I am writing here UCG. So second base is representing the column. Now first base U is representing its box, whether it is present in first box of that particular column, second box of that particular column, third box or fourth box. So second base represents column, first base represents box, and third base represents the number of that particular codon. So UCAG, this is the last base representing the number of that particular codon, whether it is the first codon, second codon or third codon or fourth codon present in that particular box, present in that particular column. Right. Now let's go to tricks to locate these triplet codons in genetic code table. Right. So 3 simple tricks to remember genetic code. Find the location of triplet codon in genetic code table given in NCERT. So for this, first trick is to find the column in which triplet codon is present. How we can find? Second base of triplet codon represents the column. So I have taken example AUG, a triplet codon. So here second base of this triplet codon is representing the column. Let's see AUG here. AUG, where it is present here, AUG. So second base is U. This U is representing the column. See, all the bases, all the triplet codons of this first column are with U as their second base. So this U represents, if the second base is U, it represents first column. If the second base is C, it represents second column. If the second base is A, it represents third column. If the second base is G, it represents fourth column. Now we can observe here. So if the second base is U, first column. If the second base is C, second column. If the second base is A, third. G, fourth column. Okay. Now we have come to know that AUG is present in first column of this genetic code table. Now we have to find where it is present in that first column also. That means in which box it is present in first column. So second trick. Second trick is to find the box or row in which triplet codon is present in that particular column. Right. So first base represents the box in which the triplet codon is present in that particular column. Right. So this is the A is the first base. So here I have shown A is the first base. So if, let's see, so if U is first base, then it represents first box. If C is first base, it represents second box of that particular column. If A is first base, it represents third box. If G is first base, it represents fourth box. Right. As it is A in this triplet codon as first base, it is representing the third box. Now we came to know that it is present in first column, and in first column also it is present in third box. Now we have to find in third box, in that particular box also, whether it is the first codon or second codon or third codon or fourth codon, like this. Whether it is first, second, third or fourth codon of that particular box. So how it can be found? By using third trick. Now we can apply third trick. So to find the number of triplet codon present in that box of that particular column. So third base represents the number of codon. So if the third base is U, it is the first triplet codon present in that particular box of that particular column. So if the third base of a triplet codon is C, then this is the second triplet codon of that particular box present in a particular column. If it is A, third codon. If it is G, fourth codon. Because you see here U, third base U, so first codon. Third base C, so second codon. Third base A, so third codon. Third base C is G, so fourth codon. Like this, we can locate a triplet codon present in genetic code table completely. So after locating this triplet codon present in genetic code table, we can translate this triplet codon into amino acid. That means whether this triplet codon codes for methionine or valine or leucine, like that we can translate it. So AUG codes for what? Methionine. AUG codes for methionine. So to locate these triplet codons, I explained three tricks. Now after locating the triplet codon present in genetic code table, we have to translate it. How can we translate? Okay, to translate it, we need to understand, we need to find the amino acids. Okay, so you observe the first column of this genetic code table, first column. So what I told you, in each column, first column, 4 boxes are there. Now this is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So in first column, first box, phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is an amino acid coded by 2 triplet codons. Next 2 codons codes for leucine, an amino acid called leucine. Next, in second box, so first column is completely represented by U. Second column is completely represented by C. Third column is represented by A. Fourth column is represented by G. That is the second base of a triplet codon. Now, first box of first column or second or third or fourth is represented by U, the first base of a triplet codon. Now, second box of first, second, third or fourth columns are represented by C. Third box is represented by G. Third box is represented by A. Fourth box is represented by G. Right. Okay. So in first column, what are the amino acids? Phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is an amino acid coded by 2 triplet codons. present in first box. Leucine is an amino acid coded by two triplet codons present in the first box of first column. Again, next leucine 4, isoleucine 3, isoleucine 3, methionine 1, valine 4. That means valine is an amino acid coded by 4 triplet codons present in the fourth box of first column. Like this, we have to make the columns and we have to remember these amino acids. So serine is coded by 4 triplet codons present in the first box of second column. Proline is the amino acid coded by 4 triplet codons present in the second box of second column. Like this, threonine 4, alanine 4. Next, so in second column completely, each box, all the 4 triplet codons of each box code for one amino acid. 4, 4, 4, 4. Right. In second column, all the amino acids are coded by only 2 codons. So tyrosine 2, stop codons 2, histidine 2, glutamine 2, 2 codons. Aspergine, ASN, aspergine 2, lysine 2, aspartic acid 2, glutamic acid 2. Here we should not get confused between glutamine and glutamic acid. Glutamine is GLN, and glutamic acid is GLU. And we should not get confused between aspergine and aspartic acid. Aspergine is ASN, aspartic acid is ASP. It's coming to fourth column. Cysteine 2, stop codon 1, TRP1, that is tryptophan 1. Arginine, tryptophan 1 means coded by 1 triplet codon. Arginine, amino acid coded by 4 triplet codons of second box of fourth column. Serine 2, then arginine again 2, glycine 4. So we have to remember. Anyway, second column completely, each box 4, 4, 4, 4 codons. Third column, each one 2, 2, 2 codons. And even in first column also, last box, all the last box, all the triplet codons, 4 triplet codons are coded by are coding for only one amino acid. So like this, we have to remember this amino acids and the amino acid, which amino acid is coded by how many codons. Then we can locate the triplet codons by using those 3 tricks, and we can translate the triplet codons into amino acids easily by using these 3 simple tricks. I hope students understood these 3 tricks well. And after listening to this video, you take triplet codons from here and there, like CCC, like CGC. Like this, you pick some triplet codons and try to translate them into amino acids. First, try to locate them, that where they are present in this genetic code table, and then translate that triplet codon into amino acid. Then you will feel easy. Right. Thank you, students.